Hello to all my viewers. Today we are going to discuss how to rank the data using index functions in Tableau. For this, we'll go in the environment of Tableau. We'll pick up the sales and drop it into the columns. Then I'll pick up the product category and drop it into the rows. I'll press the plus sign. Now I'll activate the entire view. Now we will generate the index function. So index, enter, click OK. Now pick up the index and drop it into the columns. So you can see that the data has been arranged in ascending and descending order. Now activate in marks index and pick up this index and drop it into the label. So you will get the number 1 to 70. Similarly, in sales, pick up the sales and drop it into the label. Now at present, the chart is arranged, that is 1 to 17 is arranged for the entire category. But what I want is that this chart, that is 1 to 4, similarly 5 to 13, should be arranged according to the subcategory. So for this, I'll go in index and compute using the pane down. So we can see in individual subcategory that which is the business which is making the good sales and which is the lowest making, which is the business which is making the lowest sales. So 1 2 3 4, then 5 to 13, 14 to 17. Now convert this into discrete. Drag it and drop it into the filters. Now I want to see top 3 businesses which are making the profit. Apply, click OK. So in furniture, you can see top 3, in office supplies top 3, and in technology top 3. Moreover, you can hover your mouse here and arrange it in ascending or descending order. So you can see here. Now you can also pick up the index from here and drop it into the color. And your chart will represent the dark blue color. That's a best business. So in technology, phones are best. And in furniture, chairs, tables, bookcases, they are, you can say the sales are less. So this is a way you can rank the data using index functions in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.